What is a tang nut? A savory mixture of nut and tang. A simple, indelible, inscrutable, delicious invention of my own that has seen use through many different streams and many different events over the last year. Crazed product of the pandemic? Perhaps. But I think it can be something more. So today, I'm going to be whipping up the Omega Nut. So what's the most challenging part about a tang nut? Obviously, it's the fact that you have to take two ingredients and put them on one sandwich. So I'm going to eliminate that. First, we're going to take a small helping of MAP original canola oil bread. That way, our special sauce won't stick to the pan. Next, take whatever your favorite brand of peanut butter is. I personally like Jif. What I have here is something very special. It's what's going to take our tang nut to the next level. This is known as Smart Pepper Hot Sauce. Not many people have this. It's made by a friend of mine. It is delicious. We're going to add, not a lot, just a little bit of this into here. And this is going to give it a boost of flavor. I know some people have said that the sandwich is a little dry, a little flat. This is going to add a little liquid to it and also give it a gigantic burst of flavor to really take it to the next level. One last step that I almost forgot. Garlic. Everything is better with garlic. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put this on like that number. You can't see it, but that number. And let it sit for a little bit. Stir it up, let it saute, and we're gonna have a great Omega Nut sauce. Okay, it's been a few minutes. As you can see, we're starting to get a good paste kind of consistency, which is what I was wanting out of this sauce. I might try to get it a little bit thinner. Just smelling it though, I mean, it actually smells pretty good, but I feel like it could maybe use a little bit of sweetness. Alright, I'm out of honey, so to compensate, I'm going to use this 100% authentic Canadian maple syrup. So we're just going to add some of that in to add a little sweetness that I think this is needing. Now this is the consistency I was looking for. Almost like an applesauce, maybe like an apple butter kind of consistency. It smells amazing. I wish you could smell it here. And I'm just gonna put this in the fridge overnight and we'll eat it tomorrow because this is about to be tasty as fuck.